Answering agent logs into the eHotline system. Agent opens the main answering portal. Agent is now ready to receive emergency calls. Caller scans the emergency QR code and calls the eHotline agent. Agent then accepts the call.
Thank you for calling. What's your emergency?
Agent encodes the emergency detail. Agent selects the responder and then send the message. Agent sends the message real-time and responders receive the message. Responder receives the emergency ticket and accepts the ticket. Responder displays the details with map of the emergency location. Responder can close the ticket by clicking the Close button. Agent can click the History page to see the history of all emergency tickets. Details of the closed tickets are displayed here. Caller receives the spot report after. Benefits of E911.ph system. 1. No number dialing. 2. Location-based call routing and termination. 3. Integrated dispatcher and responder agents. 4. Easy to set up. 5. Low CAPEX and OPEX.
Thank you for watching.